Today we study about efficiency of half wave rectifier. We already studied about half wave rectifier. Now today we study about efficiency of half wave rectifier. What is efficiency of a half wave rectifier? The ratio of DC power output to the applied input AC power is known as rectifier efficiency, and formula for the efficiency is given by it is equal to DC power output divided by input AC power, and diagram for the half wave rectifier is as follows. Now we know that when positive half cycle comes, then the diode becomes forward bias, so it will conduct, and when negative half cycle comes, then it will not conduct. So we get the output across load resistance during positive half cycle only, and here these are the graphs for voltage and second graph for current, output current. Let Vm sin theta be the alternating voltage that appears across secondary windings. Vm sin theta be the alternating voltage that appears across secondary windings. Here it is clear in the diagram. Vm sin theta is the alternating voltage that appears across secondary windings. And let RF and RL be the diode resistance and load resistance respectively. Here RF is diode resistance and capital RL is load resistance. Now to find the efficiency of the half wave rectifier, we have to find out DC power output and input AC power. So first of all, calculate the DC power. Now the output current is pulsating direct current, and I average is equal to IDC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to pi I d theta, and here I is equals to Vm sin theta divided by RF plus capital RL. So put this value in the equation, we get I dc is equal to 1 upon 2 pi integration from 0 to pi Vm sin theta divided by RF plus capital RL d theta, and since Vm upon RF plus capital RL does not depend on theta, so we get I average or IDC is equal to Vm upon 2 pi RF plus capital RL into integration from 0 to pi sin theta d theta, and after integration we get IDC is equals to Vm upon 2 pi into RF plus capital RL into 2, and finally we get Vm upon pi into RF plus capital RL. Here Im is equals to Vm upon RF plus capital RL. So we get finally IDC is equal to Im upon pi, and DC power is equal to PDC is equal to IDC square into RL. We know that the general formula for the power is equal to I square into R. So we get the DC power is equal to Im upon pi whole square into RL. Now, second, AC power input. PAC is equal to I RMS square into RF plus capital RL. And for the half wave rectified wave, IRMS is equal to Im upon 2. And so PAC will be equal to Im upon 2 whole square into RF plus capital RL. And from the equation first and second, find out the rectifier efficiency, which is equal to DC output power divided by AC input power, and this will equal to 0.406 into RL divided by RF plus capital RL. 0.406 capital RL divided by RF plus capital RL. So efficiency for the half wave rectifier is come out 0.406 divided by 1 plus RF divided by capital RL. And the efficiency will be maximum if RF is negligible as compared to capital RL. If small RF is very, very small in comparison to the capital RL, then we can neglect this term RF divided by capital RL. So rectification, a maximum of 40.6% of AC power is converted into DC power.